the TURBRO 20-inch electric log set. Just want to show you how it arrived. Packaged very nice. All the corners are protected and a lot of styrofoam. We have a 1500 watt unit here. That's pretty good. It has a 3-prong plug on it that appears to be about 6 foot long. You want to plug this straight into a regular outlet. It says no surge protectors. All right, so this thing comes ready to go right out of the box. You just pull it out of the box, plug it in. Let me show you, you got 3 switches. We got an on and off, and when you turn the power button on, little flame section thing starts going, and what's kind of cool too, you can see it in the back here. I don't know if you can or not. Actually see what's going on here. It's pretty wild. So we got the power button, then the heat button right here. So we turn this on, and there's a dial obviously for how much heat you want. And when you crank that up, it starts blowing air out of this section right here, hot air out of the bottom, just so you know. And I'm going to show you what it looks like sitting on my fireplace grill so you can get an idea of what's going to happen. But we all know heat rises, so blowing out of the bottom. And let's set it in here. Yeah, so there it is sitting in my fireplace. It's not sunk back into the fireplace. It's sitting on top of the little lip on the front there and allowing the heat to blow out of the bottom, which is absolutely perfect. This looks fantastic. The only thing I'm going to say is if you're going to set it inside of your fireplace, just remember that the buttons are off to the side here. So you're going to have to reach in here to turn it off and on and so forth. This thing looks great. The TURBRO 20-inch electric log set. Pretty sweet.